It is now 4 p.m. on September 5th Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested a short selling EURUSD above 1.0845. The highest price after the issue was 1.0809, 36 points away from the entry point, and it fell to 1.0758 in advance, with a cumulative decline of 51 points. Then there's gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to sell short above 1954. Because the trading volume was very small during the US Labor Day holiday, there was no chance to enter the market after it was issued. The maximum fluctuation from yesterday to today at noon is only $12, which is quite small. In addition to manual operations, Laudi's main account has been combined with EA automatic trading programs to operate with light loss. The account of $150,000 earned $38,012 throughout August, which is equivalent to a monthly return of 25.34%. Under the same light loss operation style, it was able to break the highest rate of return of 17% in 3 years, mainly because the August risk event had relatively little intervention in the market. And the EA program can also play a great role in 24-hour trading and risk management ability. Entering September means returning to the familiar high-risk market. Laudi's team's operating style and risk control awareness have kept the income at a steady rate of 10 to 17%. If you want to see the historical operations and the entire real-time transaction process, add the contact information on the screen and ask me for the master account observation password. The initial capital ranges from $5,000 to $150,000. The account for copy trading has the same signals as the main account, and the password is changed once a week. Observe for a week, and then consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business to copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Affected by the US Labor Day holiday yesterday, trading volume decreased. Today, the Reserve Bank of Australia kept interest rates unchanged for the third consecutive time, triggering speculation that major central banks will stop raising interest rates, and EURUSD also fell. Despite the economic downturn in Europe, such as a rapid recession in Germany, the economic locomotive, European inflation is much more serious than that of the United States, including European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde, who repeatedly emphasized at the Global Central Bank meeting that inflation will continue to be suppressed, so short-term interest rate hikes are expected to support in EURUSD. Limit further downside. Today you can do long at 1.0742 to 1.0680. Put stop loss at 1.0667. Gold has not changed much and continues to fluctuate within a narrow range. You can continue to pay attention to the support of 1925 and the resistance of 1955 during the day. The cash price is close to 1925, and you can go long at 1925 to 1912. Put stop loss at 1910. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laudi will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Fyodor Dostoevsky.